You're calling from Vanquis
Hello?
Bank, did you say? Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I'm calling from Vanquis Bank.
Hello.
Hi. Can I just confirm it's Mr.
Well, can I just confirm something with you? That's okay.
Yeah,
First of all. Well,
I'll see what I
what?
can
Sorry.
do.
Sorry?
Okay, what I need to do first before I do anything is go through security.
Yeah,
If
okay.
you're not
Well,
happy to do
listen,
that.
you've just called me, so let me just explain something from my side of things, if that's okay. First of all, I'm recording this call for my own protection, and I have something to say, and I wanted to just first of all know whether or not you have the ability to make notes from the calls that you make.
Right, any calls that I deal with, I always put notes on.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so what I wish to say is that from now on, I want to deal with the matter with your company in writing only. And should I continue to receive calls from your company, Vanquis Bank, which may constitute harassment, in which case I will be forced to take further action under Section 1 of the Protection from Harassment Act, 1997. And the Administration of Justice Act, let me finish please, 1970, Section 40, which makes it a criminal offence for a creditor or a creditor's agent to make demands for money for which is aimed at causing alarm, distress, or humiliation because of the frequency or manner. Now, it is the frequency and manner, actually, that's causing the problem. Because I have had a warning from my employer because you've been calling my workplace, so you're putting my job at risk. Okay, so that's a really good reason. So I need you to have the notes for this call, and I'm going to end the call here.
Okay, if you do that, okay, I'm going to make you quite clear that I'm not going to be able to do anything because you're refusing to go through DPA. Okay?
Refusing to go through
because
DPA?
I can't. I'm legally by law. We need to go through security before we discuss or go moving forward.
Okay, fine. I'll take
You're
you
not
through.
Going through.
Can you confirm your name, please?
My name's Lucy.
You work in.
Yeah, my name's
postcode.
Lucy Bootle. Okay, Lucy Bootle.
Okay.
I'm calling from the collections department.
Okay.
Okay.
And what's the postcode of the building that you work in?
Yeah, it's the Chatham office.
Yeah.
Okay, and the postcode is ME4.
Okay.
4WQ.
And could you confirm your CEO's name?
My COO.
CEO?
CEO.
Yeah, Chief Executive Officer of Vanquis Bank.
Right, I can give you my team leader's name.
I don't want your team leader's name.
Okay. All calls are recorded.
I mean, there's someone running your company,
Bank.
okay? Someone running your company, and you don't know the name of them. I'm really sorry, but I don't believe you
No,
are who you are.
Okay, how I'm looking at this, okay, at the moment is I want to try and help you. Obviously, there's been an issue, and I want to try and resolve it. Okay. Now, the 2 minutes we've been doing this, I may have actually just been able to resolve it. Okay. Now, you are quite right. You are entitled to record the call. All calls at Vanquis Bank are recorded too. Okay. But I just want to resolve it.
Okay.
It'll take a couple of minutes.
But what I've said to you, I'm quite within my rights to say.
That's fine. That's fine.
But you're refusing. What you're saying is what I've told you. What I've just told you about Protection from Harassment Act 1997. You're saying that you can't add that to the notes because I haven't gone through data protection. Is that right?
But we haven't gone through data protection, so I can't deal with the issue of why I'm calling you. So
yeah, but I don't need.
What are we going to do?
I don't need you to do that. I just need to have the frequency of the calls, okay, and the manner of the calls stopped so that
if you bear
it can
with me
be dealt
with
in writing.
I can deal with it now.
Yeah, but what's wrong with doing it in writing?
Okay, bear with me one moment. Bear with me.
Okay.
Hello, thank you ever so much for holding.
Okay.
Okay, it's Michael Lenora. Okay.
Okay.
So I've just spoken to a manager.
Yeah.
I've obviously raised what's the situation. He's advised me, obviously, if you want to put a complaint forward, we're quite happy to.
I don't need to put a complaint forward. I'm just telling you to put notes on the account to say that I no longer wish to have these harassing calls, and that I know my rights. Okay, and under law, that the Harassment Act is there to prevent people like yourselves, or your company, not you personally, sorry about that, but companies like yourselves, okay, making calls that are causing harm, potentially harm to me and my family. You've called my employers. I've told you I've had a written warning from my employer, okay, and effectively, if it continues, they're going to give me the sack, and that's a situation I'm sure you can appreciate. That's something that's happened this week. Okay, today is my day off. All right, I don't mind speaking to you, but during the working day, when you're calling my office, okay, it's causing problems and it's causing distress. Okay, and an alarm, and under the 1997 Protection from Harassment Act, okay, I could make it a criminal offence. I can call the police and do that. I don't need to make a complaint. If I'm making a complaint, it'd be to the police. That's why I'm recording this call, because it could be evidence in a court of law, okay, against your company for causing me distress.
Okay, can I just ask? Obviously, I understand. I respect what you're saying. Okay, I want to help you. Okay, but can you see it from our point that I can't go any further because I don't know even if you're this person, and I would be breaking the law, and as a result, I could get the sack.
Okay.
So for me to do anything, you're asking me to do things, and I want to do them, but I can't do them because I can't.
You're telling me that you can't make notes on a call without.
I want to resolve it.
But without going through security.
Well,
I'm sorry, but
But you could be.
Are you telling me you cannot? Your rules of the office won't allow you to put on there, this person only wants to be contacted in writing, or there's been a request for it to be in writing only.
As I said, notes. Anyone can write notes, okay? But it's the issue.
Yeah, but I'm not talking about any issues. The issue I have.
I can't.
Okay, you've got a different issue to me. Okay, my issue, right, is that I feel harassed. Okay, and then under the Protection from Harassment Act, 1997, okay, Section 1, okay, I'm telling you to cease. Okay, that's my issue. You've got a separate issue, and I'm telling you, if you want to keep calling me, then it's going to be a criminal act. Okay.
Well, I'm going to advise
if you can't update your records for the calls to stop, okay, and you can deal with any matters you've got in writing to me. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Right. So you want to take me through your protection, data protection, to sort out your problems, okay? And are you telling me you can't put notes on about my problems first?
Okay. What I'm saying is I want to resolve the situation. Obviously, there is situations that need resolving.
Okay, so there's two situations. So split it up for you, make it easy. Okay, I've got a situation, you've got a situation. So first of all, is my situation going to be recorded by you prior to going through data protection?
What do you mean recorded? What, the call?
No, I'm talking about, is it going to be recorded?
Yeah, everything you're discussing now, okay, it's got to be.
Right, okay, so you will be making notes about this call even if I don't go through data protection?
Yes, correct. But what I'm going to say
then I don't have any more business with you right now.
But if you don't go through data protection, so that you are aware, we are governed, we are checked, okay?
Yeah.
We work in a dialer system which is licensed, okay?
What, sorry?
It is licensed. If we can't
go through... Sorry, what did you say before the license?
Licensed dialer system.
A licensed dialer system. Okay,
yeah.
Well, that means nothing to me, sorry.
If we can't go through security with someone, we can't resolve the situation.
Okay. So are you telling me that the calls will continue?
Okay, I can't. Again, that's what I'm saying. I can't do anything. I want to help you, but I can't because I can't go
Wait
through
there.
security with you.
When you say you're not helping me, you've already said to me or admitted that you will be making notes on about this call on your system. Yes? Correct?
Okay, I'm writing
Can
notes.
we agree on that?
Yeah, I'm writing notes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so those notes, are you saying that because you can't do anything, the calls will continue?
Yes, the calls will.
It will continue. So you're willfully going to carry on harassing me?
No, it's not.
Well,
Because
if I consider it harassment, I've already given you good reason why it's construed as harassment. I've told you under the law what section.
Okay, we're going round in circles now. Okay, I've advised you.
We are, but what you're telling me, you're threatening me. Okay,
no,
you're threatening me with more calls now.
No. Okay, I've tried. We're going round in circles now. Okay, I do apologise it, but I can't carry on with the call. I've explained
can you pass me to your supervisor then, please?
Yes,
maybe I'll
bear
talk
with
to someone else.
Bear with me.
Hello, Mr.
Hello? If you can hear me, I can't hear you. Call ended. Just hang up.